For the next video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a presentation. Now this time, using the PowerPoint presentation. So again, this is Ariel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will be updated to all my videos. So let's open the PowerPoint. Okay, and then let's open a blank document. So as you can see, we have the different templates already here on our PowerPoint. So if the templates is actually good for your title, then you can definitely use that. If not, you can start with a blank document. So once you already have the blank document, you can either choose here for the design as well. So you have also the design that you can actually use in the menu bar. Okay, so if you would like to use that, then it's all right. But if not, you can also use the themes on your device that you already saved. So you can also use that, or you can use your own design. So for the presentation or for the demonstration and tutorial for today, I'll be creating my own design. So I'm gonna use the shapes here. So let's use this shape, and then gonna put it here. All right, so this one I'm going to change the color to this one. Okay, so this one I'm going to change the color to, okay, what color? Light. Okay, that one. And then I'll just copy that, Control C, Control V, and then I'm gonna put that here on the other side. All right, so now it's balanced. So that is the design that I'll be using for this demonstration. But this is very simple. But you can also make your own design, a better design that you can actually use for your presentation. All right, so now let's change the size to 50. It's still big. That's just 45, but that one is better. All right, so after that, you can put your names here. So make sure. So I'll just copy the template that I created earlier. There. So that would be your first slide, and then on the next slide, just going to copy the design that you created. You can also use icons as well, so that you can put the hyperlinks on it. So you can also use that. So let me copy that. So here I put in the different icons related to the topic. So you can also do that to make sure that it would be more unique by using the hyperlink. But if you cannot use the hyperlink, that would be fine. So later I'll show you how to use that. So next is the once you already have the content, so we're going to put the next slide. So copy paste, or you can just right click that and then new slide, and then make sure to copy the design. All right, so we have the introduction. So the information from the introduction is the general information. We have the campaign details and then campaign overview. So after that, guys, we're going to put the next one. So next is the information for the general information. So again, you can right click and then new slide, and then make sure to put the design as well. Or you can just copy paste that, and then you're going to edit the information. Okay, so let's put the general information here. All right, so I have here the general information, and on this specific slide, you can just summarize the information on your introduction, and then you can explain the other details. So make sure you're still following the rules and techniques in creating the effective presentation. Next, we're going to put in the next slide, which is the campaign details. So as you can see, campaign information, campaign details, campaign overview. So we have the campaign details already. Now let's proceed to the next one. which is the campaign overview. Sorry, I put in the same one. So let me delete that. Campaign overview. So as you notice here, I put in a shape as well. So this will be redirected to the contents. So later I'll show you how it works. And next to it is the survey questionnaire. Alright, so just put that. And then so the question that you're going to use, guys, is the question that you created during the survey. So you can use that. Just make sure to summarize the question and it's not gonna be too wordy. Next for the slide is the results of your survey. So for this, instead of using words, you can use the charts or graphs. So in creating that, you can go to the insert tab and you will see the charts here. So you can use what kind of charts you're going to use. Okay. So for this one, since it's yes, no, or maybe the percentage, then I'm going to use the pie chart. And then if you have another questions, so you can also use another type of charts. Sorry. Let me put that here. Here. So I use some column graph for this one. Okay, so if you would like to edit the information, you can just right click and then edit data, and then you can edit that directly, or you can edit using the Excel. So after that, you can also put here. So as you can see, we have the survey results. Now next is the database. So put in the database. All right. So what is the database all about? So that's the information there that you are going to put. Next to it is the sample database. So you can use a screenshot of the database that you created for from the activity number 3. And last but not the least is the summary. So you can just put there the summary of your presentation. And then don't forget the last part, which is the thank you greetings, and if they have questions, so you can also ask that to your audience or to the viewers. All right, that is pretty much the simple presentation, but you're able to follow the different techniques and rules in creating an effective presentation. Now, like what I said, so the rest of the information there should be coming from the speaker, and it's not gonna be too wordy. So I created 13 slides, but you can create more, like as the maximum of 30 slides is fine, but not more than that. And probably less than 10, not less than 10, so 10 is the minimum slides. Okay, so that is it. Now for the hyperlinks, again, I already discussed that, so you can just Control K, and then you can put place in this document if you would like to jump to another slide. So you can just put that, and then you just click OK. So when you present that under the reading mode, so you can just click that, will directly to this one, and then you click the home, you will go back to the contents, and you also do that for the rest of the information or the contents that you have in your presentation. Alright, so that is it, guys. So I should see you on the next video that I'll be sharing with you. I'll try to create the presentation for Canva using the mobile phone. Alright, thank you so much.